This is a farmer market, but only for the food trucks. So they have the food. नहीं इधर से नहीं लेंगे, इधर आ जाओ. Food trucks. They have the food trucks. So first we will buy the gyro and then. Okay, आ जाओ. First gyro. This is the halal. They have some gyros. So I will buy them.
Beef gyro.
You want the beef gyro or spicy? Packet one lamb and beef gyro. Which one you want?
Oh, that's me. I'm a beef gyro.
Beef gyro.
Two of my beef.
This is the menu card on the food truck. Okay. If you want to go to buy, you want to sell. अगर आप कोई चीज़ सेल करना चाहते हैं और रेस्टोरेंट नहीं कर सकते तो फूड ट्रक का इज़ अ गुड ऑप्शन है. दिस इज़ द gyro, shawarma, falafel, salad. We are here in line. और दूसरे लोग भी खड़े हुए हैं मुसलमानों के अलावा भी. दिस इज़ अनदर ट्रक. This is.
Here, let me help you with your bag.
They are enjoying here. People buy and eat it here on the seat. They bring something. It's a very fun.
I say I love you, and mommy,
It's halal.
I say I love you, and I kiss her back. I see zero style.
Okay. It's spicy. बहुत spicy हो जाएगा. You cannot eat it.
I can't eat it.
ये chicken shawarma is okay. Chicken shawarma wrap. हाँ.
I don't want to.
Okay. And Amma, which one will you want? Laminate water?
No.
या लेमनेड. वाटर तो घर में पी लेंगे गाड़ी में भी. तो वहाँ से कोई ड्रिंक पीना है? वन लेमनेड.
No, I want
लेमनेड स्ट्रॉबेरी.
water.
से मैंने वनीला आइसक्रीम ली थी. ये आइसक्रीम का फूड ट्रक है. तो इट वाज वेरी यमी आइसक्रीम. दिस वनीला डिफरेंट फ्लेवर वर देयर बट आई जस्ट ओनली बॉट द vanilla cup. It was not very expensive, but it was very yummy. And I am buying from here, and then I will take to my guests. I buy this. ये लो. Both of you. You know, I am bringing another thing, okay? Excuse me, did you call me? Not yet. Are you enjoying, guys?
You said you'll bring the gyro.
टाइम में वो कह रहे हैं अभी मैं पूछ के आई हूँ. उन्होंने कहा इस टेक टाइम. हाँ, 10 minutes, guys. That's just time. Are you enjoying this ice cream?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yes.
Is it new? Huh? You sit here. This side. I'm going to come this side. It's not sunny. Afran, sit down. There's a whole. Today is the food truck day. So they are the food truck. This is not not halal food. Yeah, haram food. This is the halal food gyros. That is the one is another. Lobster and there are some suar here. And one is another is the ice cream food truck. So I bought it. It's spicy, but let's taste it if it's spicy. And one is like
She's so pure.
I will taste it, okay? If you want with the spice. This is good.
equal. That's why. All gyros
तो पकड़ो होल्ड करो.
all gyros are equal except ones without meat.
ओके यू लव यू आर मीट लवर. नैपकिन दिया है ना तुम्हें. हाँ.
Are you a meat lover?
आई एम मीट लवर टू. अब स्टिल द 7 o'clock. वो कह रहे हैं दोनों पी लेना. मैं इसको ही पिलाना. शेयर. बैल को. हाँ चलो. See, people enjoy here. They buy the food and sit here. Some people bring their chairs themselves. Some sit on the park benches, and there are so many cars. This is the tennis courts, badminton courts. Everything is here. Did you enjoy, boys?
I don't take the water.
Did you enjoy?
I don't take the
Now we are going back home. We enjoy a lot of there. And now we are
and
going.
we are bored.
You bored? Why?
Because I love sleeping. I'm sleepy. Of not lazy.
Yes, we are late.
I'm crazy. I'm lazy. No, you're lazy and crazy. I'm crazy. No, you're lazy and crazy.
This is the outside of the car. My husband is not with me, so after eating, I tasted and I think it is a good. I will buy for him too. So now I am here to buy. I ordered the another one, and I am here to buy another gyro. Mm, I had to wait long because there were line. I think only one person was in the truck and he was managing everything. So he was taking order and then so is making everything. This is the another one for my husband.